In the heart of Koima, where the rhythmic music of the waves was an eternal lullaby, Santiago's life continued its quiet rhythm. Every day, he would mend his fishing gear, preparing for the next venture into the sea. Despite his grizzled appearance, his eyes gleamed with a quiet determination that spoke of an unyielding spirit. Manolin, though no longer Santiago's apprentice, remained a steadfast companion. The bond between them, forged over years of shared adventures, was unbreakable. Manolin, now a young man, often accompanied Santiago to the shore, helping him prepare the skiff, sharing tales of the ocean, and learning from the wisdom of the old man. One day, as the sun painted the sky in hues of amber and gold, Santiago set out once more, his eyes scanning the horizon with the anticipation of a seasoned hunter. Farther and farther he sailed, the salted breeze caressing his weathered face. In the heart of the deep blue expanse, he cast his lines, each movement reflecting the fluidity of a dance he knew all too well. His patience was rewarded when he felt a powerful tug on the line. The battle that ensued was not just physical, it was a contest of wills, a communion between man and nature. The marlin he hooked was a behemoth, its size awe-inspiring. Santiago's sinewy arms strained as he held onto the line, his eyes locked onto the majestic creature in a mix of awe and respect. The struggle lasted for days. During the battle, Santiago's mind wandered, reflecting on life, on youth and age, on the essence of bravery. He spoke to the marlin, acknowledging its strength and beauty. In those moments, he wasn't just a fisherman, he was a philosopher, contemplating the intricacies of existence while locked in combat with a creature that symbolized the untamed essence of the sea. His determination never wavered, even as his body weakened. The marlin, too, showed signs of exhaustion, yet it fought with a spirit that mirrored Santiago's own. In the end, Santiago emerged victorious. He tied the marlin alongside his skiff, its vastness dwarfing the small vessel, and sailed back towards Koima. However, nature is both generous and unforgiving. Santiago's victory didn't go unnoticed. The scent of blood attracted predators, sharks, ancient hunters of the sea. Santiago, though tired from his earlier battle, fought fiercely to protect his prize. Armed with a harpoon, he faced the sharks, his eyes blazing with defiance. The battle with the sharks was a brutal spectacle, a testament to Santiago's resilience. He fought not just for the marlin, but for the very principle of survival. In the end, he managed to kill several sharks, but they took their toll, reducing the magnificent marlin to a mere skeleton. As Santiago returned to Koima, he did so with the skeletal remains of the marlin as his only trophy. The villagers, who had once pitied him, now marveled at his indomitable spirit. The sea, which had witnessed his epic struggle, seemed to whisper its approval, its waves carrying tales of Santiago's bravery to distant shores. In the ensuing days, Santiago's story spread like wildfire, reaching far beyond the shores of Kojima. He became a living legend, a symbol of unyielding determination, and his tale inspired generations of fishermen and dreamers. Manolin, now a guardian of Santiago's legacy, carried the torch forward, his eyes reflecting the same courage he had learned from his mentor. And so in the heart of Kojima, where the sea murmured its eternal secrets and the stars gazed down in silent reverence, Santiago's spirit lived on. His story became more than a mere tale. It became a saga of human endurance, a parable of resilience that echoed through the ages. Santiago, the old man of the sea, became a beacon, illuminating the path for those who dared to venture into the depths, reminding them that even in the face of relentless challenges, the human spirit could emerge unbroken, triumphant, and immortal.